Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. 2 minutes to understand Atlantic. Today, we're going to see how to pair the Navalink 125 or 128 thermostat of your boiler or heat pump with our Cozytouch connected solution. During the procedure, the app will ask for access to your device's location and camera. Allow these permissions, at least for the time of the setup. To begin, grab your smartphone or tablet with the Cozytouch app installed, your Cozytouch login details, and your Wi-Fi password. Got everything? Perfect. Let's get started. Open the Cozytouch app and log in using your credentials. In the main menu, tap the plus button at the bottom right of the screen and select the appliance you have, boiler or heat pump. Then choose the connection protocol. Finally, select your Navalink 125. It's now time to activate the Wi-Fi connection on the Navalink interface of your boiler or heat pump. It's easy to recognize. It's the small white box located next to or directly on your heat pump or boiler. Found it? Great. If the Wi-Fi LED is off, press the Wi-Fi button once. The LED will start blinking. Congratulations! Your interface is now ready to be paired with Cozytouch. On your smartphone or tablet, confirm that your interface is correctly set up by tapping Ready. Then tap Identify the Navalink interface, followed by Scan the QR code. Your app is ready. Now let's move on. Go to your wall-mounted Navalink thermostat. In the main menu, navigate using the arrows and select the Settings tab at the bottom, then Validate. Look for Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi code. A QR code appears. Scan it to complete the pairing. Click-clack, all done. All that's left is to configure your Wi-Fi network in the Cozytouch app. Select your Wi-Fi box, enter the password, and validate. Wait a few moments while the pairing steps complete. It only takes a short while. And to finish nicely, we're going to configure your heating zone together. Now that the pairing is complete, you can name your heating zone as you prefer. Here, we'll group the living areas under the day category. Once you've chosen the name, simply validate. And there you go. You can now control your home comfort at your fingertips in complete peace of mind, even from your sofa before you get home if you wish.